Hi kids! We making sports now here in our Love Tree Park. This is our Love Tree. See how big it is now. And our name is written here in this tree. I wrote, I love you forever. God loves us. I made it on May 1st, 2022. So, 2 years now ago. And I said, you and I forever. And I wrote the name, Star Love Enrique. And on the other side, Enrique Love Teresita. I wrote everything there, our name in our love tree. So I love this tree really. And behind us is a very nice mountain over there. You see, kids? And Papa is there making sports.